What up, and welcome. I am Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Fillantro. What is Fillantro? Fillantro is my own watered down version of a PHP framework like Laravel. So, in all of my videos where I'm talking about Fillantro, I will always put a link in the description so that you can go and download Fillantro. So at the moment, I already got a link on my clipboard. So let's just go and download Fillantro. So this is a link that you will always find in the description of my videos to download Fillantro on my Google Drive. Okay, so when you are here, you can just click download. Okay, you can just click download again. Okay, so the download is starting. It will finish in few seconds. Just quickly check it. It still looks like it's still downloading. That's not a problem. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So this is my channel where I teach coding and user interface design. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that I can help you and help others, so that all of us as a collective, we can become better developers. That's what this channel is all about. Okay, the download is finished. So let's check downloads. So this is the folder Fillantro. So what you will do, you will have to install xampp. This is xampp. As you can see that it's already running at the moment. If we go to our local host, /sms, as you can see, this folder doesn't exist. Even if we can say localhost public index, because the index folder of Fillantro or SMS, it will be under public. So as you can see that it doesn't exist. So let's go ahead and install it. So what you will do, you will copy the zip file that you have downloaded and go to your xampp httdocs, more like a root folder for the engine, and then you will paste it here. And then let's extract the folder. Extract here. Now suppose we have a folder SMS here, SMS only, not SMS PRT or SMS what, only this SMS. Okay, let's just wait for this to finish. Okay, when that is done, we are going to visit this URL again and see what's going to happen. Obviously, it's going to throw an error because we have not installed the database yet. And then I'm going to show you how to set up the database. Okay, just a moment. So in the meantime, if you have not subscribed, you can just go ahead to my channel and take a look at my own playlist. So this one is a real life PHP application. Also I've got conceptual OOP for beginners. Also I've got 5-minute PHP for beginners 2023. It's a 5-minute PHP course. Okay, I think it's done. So let's go here and refresh. As you can see that the database SMS is not been set up, so let's do that. So what you will do, you will go to your PHP admin, and then you create a new database with the name user, as the error is suggesting, unknown database SMS. So Fillantro is a framework, it's not an application. So the SMS application school management system has been built on top of Fillantro as a framework. That's why here you see SMS, not Fillantro. And then from here we are going to create new database users. Let's just double check if it's users. Sorry, SMS. We are creating a database, not a table. SMS as a database, as the error is suggesting, unknown database. So we are creating a database. Let's create a database SMS. That is done. Then let's just quickly see what is going to happen at the moment. Obviously it must throw an error because inside the database there are no tables, but let's just go and check. Okay, obviously at the moment it doesn't throw an error on the login page because the login page doesn't connect to the database yet. Even if there is an error, Fillantro as a framework will catch it, and then it will always say there's a problem with the user. So let's just continue. So now the application is working in a way, but we will never log in even if we can put the correct credentials. 1 2 3 4. Fillantro will throw that error and it will say username or password is incorrect at the moment. That's what it will always say, even if the password is correct, which is 1 2 3 4. It will always throw this error, so we cannot log in. So what we can do now, the next step that we have to do, we have to import the tables. So in this SMS database we import. Okay, click here and then we go to the SMS folder, SMS, and then there is a directory here, database, and then we import the tables from here. Okay, go down and then we import. Let's just wait for some time. 100%, everything is done. As you can see, inside the SMS there is the users table. Then in the users table there is a username SMS and the password is 1 2 3 4. So now let's just quickly click here. As you can see, now it's logging in. So if you want, you can log out. When you want to log in, SMS 1 2 3 4, and then voila, there you go, you are inside Fillantro. So this is a school management system sample application. So as you can see that if you click here, there will be student view and this will change. So that is it for me. So if you have reached this stage, that means you were able to set up Fillantro. So that is it for this video. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and stick around so that you can be notified for future videos that I will upload, where I will explain in detail how the frameworks work. So please stay tuned for the next video.